Have you fallen in love with the idea of beeswax wraps, but find them unbelievably expensive? Come with me, we'll make our own from scratch. To get down to beesness, all you need is some 100% cotton fabric, beeswax, baking paper, scissors, and an iron. Make a few for yourself, or gift them to a friend for the holidays. Now, there's a lot of buzz around these beeswax wraps, but how do they actually work? Here are 2 big reasons why. First, wrapping up your food reduces contact with the air. Less air around your bread means less evaporation, so your bread stays soft and moist. As a beautiful bonus, beeswax makes your fabric more water resistant, protecting it from spills. Second on our syllabus is protection from airborne bacteria and mold. Wax fills the holes in the fabric, making a solid barrier that microbes can't cross easily. And beeswax has another superpower, its low melting point. Your body temperature can warm and soften the wax, making it easy to form over your food. Plus, the soft wax sticks to itself, sealing out all kinds of nasties. Now, while many wax poetic about the antimicrobial benefits of beeswax, the scientific research is currently mixed. Beeswax contains some antimicrobe molecules, but we're not sure what effects they have in food wrap form. But we can be sure that your beeswax wrap will protect your food and reduce your soft plastic waste. And that's what we call a big epiphany. Wing your way over to the Double Helix blog for the instructions in full, and that's a wrap.